Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, we will talking about difference between Elasticsearch and Dynatrace. These are apples and oranges. As you can see in your screen, you are comparing a data store. Maybe you mean the ELK stack versus just E with an APM company. Dynatrace has many products, each of which have different UIs and use cases. I would clarify this. Okay. If you want to compare APM with a log analytics product, you need to understand the main difference between both approaches. As with any business software solution, it's important to consider the features and functionality. The tool should support the process, workflows, reports and needs that matter to your team. We have compared Elasticsearch versus Dynatrace based on some of the most important and required application performance management features. Like Elasticsearch included data import and export, basic reports and online customer support. So that's all from this video. Thank you guys.